Okay, this video today is about my multi-booting guide number 36, how to Hexatriaconta Boot Fedora 28 Mate edition with Windows 10 and plus other 34 GNU/Linux distribution. On Fedora there is no way to record the installation, the live install, so I have to record with the camcorder in order to play the video, in order to record the installation.
This video is about edition. This video is about my multi-boarding guide to multi-boarding guide number 36. How to Hexatriaconta Boot Fedora Mate edition with Windows 10 and plus 34 GNU/Linux distribution. This installation will take almost 2 hours to be done because of the number of the OS that I have running, that I have installed, and the Anaconda installer works to move it from one part of, when you start the installer it takes time to show the installer, and then when you move to one, I'm going to show here how long. So you pay attention on the time here. So I'm gonna double click on the installer here, and the time is 16:41. So 4:41. That's the time there. So I'm going to start my stopwatch here, because I will each installation that I'm going to do, except the Anaconda now, I will record the time, but I'm not going to record the whole video because it's going to be a very long video. So just to start, because I want to share this video with the Fedora developers, and I will do videos with each version. I'm doing each flavor of Fedora, so I already know that's take time to show. Like I'm going to click continue here. You're going to see how long it's going to show. It's 16:42. You're going to see how long it's going to take to show the next option to click there, to select there. This has to do with the number of the OpenSUSE that I have installed, and when you run the update group on the installer, it takes a very long time to show all to finish the installation. I'm going to do the same with I'm going to install each flavor of I did install each flavor of Solus OS. I'm doing each flavor of Fedora. We'll do each flavor of did each flavor of Ubuntu. I'm gonna do each flavor of Debian, and I will do each flavor from. I have to see all the GNOME/Linux distribution. I'm gonna do the one that has a graphical installer. So I will have up to 80 operating system on this 1 terabyte hard drive. This is a laptop computer. I will install next the multi-boot number 37 is going to be with the Fedora Cinnamon. The multi-boot number 38 is going to be with the Fedora LXQt. And then the multi-boot number 39 is going to be with the Fedora Solus. I don't know how to pronounce the name. See, it takes my time watch here. Almost more than 3 minutes to get to this part here. So anyway, the network here, I will change to a different one. Network. Host name, the time and date is fine, the localization is fine, the automatic partition here. You have to select custom here if you're going to multi-boot. On the top here, I'll say done, you click there. And then what you're going to do here, you click here to create new Fedora 28 installation. You haven't created any more point for your Fedora 28 installation. Click here to create them automatically. So you do that, and they're going to create the partition automatically. But that's the easiest way to install Fedora. What you're going to do here, you're going to keep the /boot /EFI here, and then you're going to delete the other partition here. So I'm going to, on the minus sign here, you're going to click delete. This part here takes long because the partition it takes long. I'm just gonna keep the /boot /EFI. Now I'm going to delete this next one here. I'm going to delete. partition number 39. After I delete those partitions that I need to delete here. I'm going to delete the /boot. Now I'm going to delete the last one here. Now this is all the partition that I have. This is all the Fedora flavor installed already. So I just have to click on the plus sign here, click add, and now I'm gonna select the mount point here. And I'm going to create a 10 gigabyte partition. Click accept settings here, add mount point. So I just have to do click add mount point. Now I'm going to use standard partitioning. And I'm going to label Fedora mate Monte. And then I have to do here, if I want to encrypt the partition, I just click here. Now on the right side here on the bottom, say update settings. You have to click on the update settings. So now is the SD839, it's 10 gigabytes. Now I just have to, on the top here, on the blue box, it says done, click done. And you just have to do is click on accept changes here. My network host name here I want to change. I want to change to a different one here. So the network is all set, the time and date is all set, the keyboard setup is all set, the custom partition select is all set. I click here begin installation, and I'm going to set up the username, the account name. Account administrator. I'm going to use a short password. Should use a strong password. Now, when you use a short password, you have to click down 2 times. Now the root password, I'm going to use a short one too. And I'm going to click done 2 times. Now it's going to take up to hour and 45 minutes to have the installation completed. And the end of the installation, we'll take a screenshot. It says here 456. So in the end I will take a screenshot there. Anyway, so that's the Anaconda installer. I will play this video right inside of the Fedora Mate installation. So I see you there.
Okay, so my next video is going to be multi-booting number 37, how to Hexatriaconta Boot Fedora 28 Cinnamon Edition with Windows 10. I see you on the next video.